Hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing this diamond painting that I got from, what's it called? Diamond Art Club. I did buy this in Joann's because I had a 60% off coupon. So this is actually, if you don't count my, what's it called? Trial versions of Diamond Art Club diamond paintings. This is my first diamond painting from Diamond Art Club. Why can't I open it? It doesn't want me to open it. Like, I'm serious. Okay, there. So, yep, here it is. So, yeah, this is, let's see, it says it's supposed to be a 56 by 71. So, ooh, it does have this like weird velvety feeling. Okay, where's the top? Is this the top? Is this the bottom? This is the bottom. Okay, so yeah, this is more of a fall painting. I'm probably not going to do this until next fall, next year during the fall. So I thought this was supposed to come with labels. Oh wait, they're in the box. The box. Okay. Yeah, so here's the toolkit. Has actually a lot of baggies, and then a clear tray and heart. Wax and no tweezers, but this is a round, so I don't think it really needs tweezers. But yeah, I'm happy there's a lot of baggies. Okay, so yep, here is the image. It is A Moment on Memory Lane by Chuck Pinson. It should be 22 by 28 inches, 56 by 71 centimeters. Let's see. 56 by 71. So yep, that is 71. And is this 56? Yep, that's 56. Okay, so yeah, this is a pretty big diamond painting, so I can't get it all on the screen. Looking at the symbols, it looks very, very similar to symbols that I've seen in, what's it called, Tin Me Arts. I do like these stickers. This is so cute. So yeah, it looks like there's 42 colors in this, and there looks like there is going to be one AB, which is 133. So yeah, ooh, look, it's pretty much on the outside, so we don't need to open this. So look, there's the ABs. They are wrapped in these, and it looks like all that's on the paint on the bag is the DMC number. It does look like, man, this is a lot of diamonds, but yeah. Okay, so yeah, here it is. It's, what's it called? I can see, it's hard to tell what it is, I guess, because the symbols are very, what's it called, white. There are, I don't know if these are really considered guide circles, but they're the darker colors, the circle is lighter than the actual outside of it. So yeah, like I said, I probably won't do this till next fall since this is a very fall painting. But yeah, this was my first Diamond Art Club. Like I said, I got it on with a 60% off coupon, so this was actually like $20 because it was normally like $50, or $49.99, and then I had my 60% off coupon, so this was $19.99, and plus tax it was like 21 or something like that. I live in a high tax state, so yeah, so it is nice that Diamond Art Club is available in Joann's, because now you could use the 40% off coupon. Well, this one was a 60% off coupon, but Joann's and stuff usually has 40% off coupons all the time. So if you want to get a Diamond Art Club one, but not want to spend the whole massive amount of money on it, then I would recommend going to Joann's. I think they also go to Hobby Lobby, but Hobby Lobby is a little bit farther from me. So yeah, looks like nice clear symbols. Too bad. Too bad that. Okay, so the problem with the selection of Diamond Art Club in Joann's is they don't have everything. So they just have. Why is this weirdly rigged? But yeah, they just have a couple images. So if the more popular images weren't there, there was only like, yeah, there was only a couple images. So this one was the one I liked the most of what was there. But yeah, I'm hoping that they will start stocking up a bigger selection. And I had to actually go to the Joann's that was a little farther away from me because my local Joann's actually doesn't have the diamond painting. So I'm hoping, what's it called? I'm hoping my local Joann's will start having the diamond painting section. Or maybe I don't want them to have a diamond painting section because I don't want to buy more. But yep, here it is. Thank you for watching and happy diamond painting. Bye!